Welcome back, everybody. Today, we are getting back into some Duramax content for you. Yeah, last time we talked about a camper and we ripped the whole front end of it off, so that's always different. We like to do different things here around the channel. It is a beautiful day in Pennsylvania and in the Top Line garage, but we are going to be focusing on the Duramax, the LBZ that we got, the wrecked one from, I think, one episode ago or something like that. And it's time that we start focusing on this rebuild. Now, have any of you guys ever lost a 10mm socket? I have, and that's why I created this shirt with the missing 10mm socket, because I thought it was funny. You can find that on TopLineRacer.com if you want to help us build trucks like this, or, maybe we'll use it to go on vacation. I don't know. Now, if you're thinking that the camera stuff looks a little different today, it's because we're filming on the Hero 9. Just got that, the Hero 9 Black. Got the mic with it and everything. So let me know what you think, if you prefer this or the... Usually I film with my Note 20 Plus or whatever the Samsung one is. This is our 2006 GMC Sierra LBZ, true LBZ, not one of the LLY LBZs. And it's got some front end damage, some frame damage down below. And we're gonna have a new frame either cut and welded into it or replace the frame completely. Not exactly sure yet, but we're gonna pull the front end here off. Overall, this truck's actually fairly clean. Yeah, I know it needs a new bedside. It's got some typical northern rust on it, but interior looks like it was just kind of used. I mean, for the driver's seat, but the passenger seat's not too bad. Rear seat I don't think was ever sat in. Does have the sunroof, and it's like 169,000 miles, and it runs excellent. Once we get the front end torn off of this, we have a parts truck. We're gonna go tear the front end off of it, so it's just gonna be a whole tear down type of thing. So if you ever were curious what that's like, then this is the video for you. And as usual, we got Lance here helping out. That's actually, I'm helping him out. It's his truck. There she is.
This is it.
What do you think? Just scrap it?
I do not think this truck would be, I would not scrap this truck.
Yeah.
No.
Probably not.
No. But I did get a cool present for you, and I think you're going to love it.
All right.
You ready for this?
I am.
All right. All right. See this?
Yeah. Our favorite tool that we lose. Got another one.
Got your own.
Nah, that's cool.
Yep.
Thanks, man. You order another kit of...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of pop clips that don't work.
Yep.
Nice.
You got the impact there. I got the sockets. I would like to put this truck back together, like in some... Let's get a specific box. Yeah, for this truck.
We always do that.
No.
That's our spot.
Let's just set everything that we take off on this tailgate, and we'll find a box later on.
Got the blinker fluid.
That was a funny comment. Yeah, whoever did that one.
Yeah, good job, guys. So I think this guy can just... Yep. Lance ran into a little problem here getting the bolts for the bumper. So this is now the Top Line Body Shop. The paintless dent removal.
That's enough or not? Close.
Which one are you going for here? The lower one or the upper?
This upper.
Okay.
I just can't quite get a straight shot in there. Actually, stand on that. Thank you.
Oh.
Scrap? Actually, yeah.
So we're getting down to the guts and the glory here of the old Silverado. Now see, this frame horn here has an inflection that's kind of bringing it in this way, and then this one is coming this way. You took it off violently.
Well, I wasn't sure.
You took it off like you were mad at it.
I was.
Like it owed you money. Now we could replace some glow plugs real easy. Under here, we got a little discovery. Down in there, some squirrels.
Live?
Packing away from winter.
Oh.
No, there's no live squirrels. There's just nuts. There's nuts all in here. Let's see. Uh-oh. Hold on.
Oh, yeah, that was it.
It does seem as though I
There's a lot more than that caught.
No, it's just this one bolt. I think there's one bolt in here that I missed.
In the squirrel's
Yep,
nest?
right there. Yep, in the nest.
You're on that.
There's too many nuts.
Good now. All right. Yep.
Where are we going with these?
I went over there.
Oh, that's right.
With the fender gone over here, it's time to start working on the radiator support, which means we got to take the coolers, the AC condenser, intercooler, all this stuff in the front end of the truck off. Now I want to show you guys the proper way to break down your AC system here at home so you don't hurt the environment.
Shoot, guys, I think the camera skipped ahead there for a second, but we've recovered all of the AC, Freon, everything in a safe manner, and now this whole system can be disassembled, so that's good.
Hey, I stored it over here.
You stored it over there?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
All of it's been recovered right in here.
Into our container, which...
Yep. All the Freon's in there. It's good to go. Okay. There we go. Let's just come over here with this one. Oh! No!
Oh,
no!
Got frosted like a cupcake?
Well, it's wet now.
Uh-oh.
All good.
Now we are down to the goods of the truck here. We can start to see things are starting to take shape. We can get a little better look at the damage. This guy here, this is damaged. You can see because of the dent in it that's damaged. And down here, also damaged. You can tell because it's got a trunk of a tree inside the frame rail, and those don't go there from the factory. It's just metal, so.
We know that because it's oak.
Yeah. If it was pine, we'd be like, okay, well, maybe that's factory, but oak, definitely not. But yeah, we need to still keep a little bit of disassembly going here, because I think they're going to have to. Do we need to take suspension off? Did we talk about that?
Yes.
Okay, so suspension
At
needs
least
to
the
come
lower
off.
control arms.
Okay.
So yes, all of it. Ready?
Yep.
I don't know if this will work, but
Sway bar is so bent up in there that it is just completely hooked. All the bolts are out. It should just drop.
trying to find a good spot to get in. There we go. I think I'm getting there.
Sweet.
There it is.
And that we can see we're going to need to replace because it usually doesn't have that curvature in the middle. So that's how we know that that's bent.
We could straighten it.
I think we could fix that in the press.
Yeah, or just drive over it.
With that sway bar off, we do have a few little things here to pull off, but I think I'm going to just wrap it up because we're almost out of daylight. So, wrap it up here. But there, we got both front ends of the trucks completely torn down. The other one's was a little bit simpler because it didn't have an engine and everything in there, and half of it was already torn apart. But at least now we're close enough that when the welding guy comes, he can assess and get everything that he needs to. I mean, there might be some small things that need removed, but pretty much it'll be an easy job now. Looks like somebody did some brake lines here, I see, which is pretty normal. Some copper and a tie rod, which they probably replaced the tie rod like the day they wrecked it, because that's how anything goes for me. And with that, guys, we are done with this video, I believe. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to get some trucks back together here before too long. We're going to running driving LBZ. We don't still really know what we're going to do plan-wise with the LBZ. whether we're gonna lift it or just have it as a dedicated tow rig, or whether we're gonna, I don't know,
Sell it.
sell it. There's a lot of options, but we're gonna keep hustling. Thanks for watching.